All right, so here is a little video on a bunch of the Flex Learning template that people are having problems with. Bear with me. It's been a really long day, but so go to your courses, choose a course you want. I'm going to choose 7th grade social studies. Sorry, computer's slow. Okay, so first thing, you want to go into your regular settings. And I know Jennifer wrote this all down in a list, but sometimes it's easier to visually see it. Once in your settings, you want to make sure that your term semester 1 start date is set for September 6th and set to end January 26th. But you also want to make sure that this box right here is checked, where it says users can only participate in the course between these dates. Once you're done with that, scroll down and click on Update Course. All right, now you want to go into your Flexible Learning tab. And before you do anything with this Study Plan tab that is trying to crunch the latest data, you want to actually go into the settings first. So as soon as it's done crunching the latest data, there we go, go into the Settings tab. And you want to make sure that you scroll down and you exclude dates. So it's important to exclude today's date all the way up through September 5th, the day before classes start. I would also suggest doing all the rest of the dates. So take off the Thanksgiving break, which is 11/3 through 11/25, and then all the December dates, 12/19, all the way to January 2nd, winter break. And then we also have a January 16 holiday. Once you have all of those checked off by clicking on the calendar, choosing your date, and then clicking the exclude date. Unfortunately, it seems like you have to do one at a time, which is time consuming, but it does help in the long run, so it's worth the time. Click the Save button. Once it says settings are saved, then go back into your Study Plan tab. Sorry, it seems like everything takes a really long time to process in Canvas. All right, so now you want to go into these dates. Set your dates for September 6th, through January 26th. You want to hit Preview Plan. The Preview Plan button's pretty important to make sure it distributes all the assignments correctly. Then scroll down. Anywhere where you have an assignment that you want to have included in the Flex Plan, go ahead and you can change your duration of how long you think students will need to complete it. I kind of range between 1 and 4 days for most of my assignments. Go through and change all of those duration dates. If there are any classes, or excuse me, any assignments that you don't want to have as a part of the plan, you can actually unclick the Include in Plan, and that will allow you to set your own date specifically for that assignment, and it won't do the date change for you for the Flex Learning. So once you have all the durations done, go up here, click on Preview Plan again, just to go down and check and make sure that your dates look correct. So right now it shows that this first assignment would be due on the 7th, which is the day after school starts, and so forth as you go down, depending on my durations that I put in here. If I'm satisfied with that, then I can go ahead and publish the plan. It takes a really long time to publish the plan. Right now I'm publishing under the master plan. As soon as it's done publishing, I will show you how to deal with students who have been enrolled in your class before the start of class, because they will throw off your due dates. So we're going to let this publish, and I will come back in just a second with a second video, and I'll show you how to deal with those students.